Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are, or good evening. Um, it's a great pleasure. My name is Krishan Anand. I am a consultant in the cloud space, and it's my great pleasure to address you on the salient characteristics of clouds, to tell you some of the important things which we have to consider in when we do outsourcing of cloud services, and then also to enjoy it, to see the benefits, because everything must have an element of enjoyment, benefit, ease of use, and operational efficiency. Now, cloud is something which we are quite conversant with these days, because we have to talk of applications which are available when you want it, and the computing model are elastic so that they can grow or become smaller with the business. And also the monitoring and the efficiency of the applications is absolutely superb. So the cloud computing came as a better outsourcing technique to allow business flexibility. There is nothing new from a software, hardware, nodes, and appliances point of view, but it's a new model. And one of the things we talk quite frequently in the cloud space is orchestration of services. Cloud orchestration means that we compose the applications, the processes, the tools to provide a specific service. And in that sense, we stitch the software and hardware together for our exact requirements. And then, of course, there are benefits such as costs. We do a lot of virtualization to achieve multi-tenancy. In other words, an application is not born for one business area. The entire organization can use it. It's highly reliable. There is scalability. And of course, elasticity, which I mentioned earlier, that if the business grows, you can rapidly expand. You can provision the applications very, very quickly. And so the resource pooling, and then there is another advantage of self-servicing. If you want to provision, whether a new platform or more infrastructure or more software as a service, you should be able to provision it yourself and get it on demand. And that is the important benefit of cloud computing. In other words, when you have to enable the clouds, you have to also talk of things like data centers, and how are the virtualized data centers, how will they come up, and then you have also to see security aspects. Now, security in the cloud space is not new. The security elements remain the same, that the authentication, authorization, and the use of software should be all done properly. And the security gadgetry remains the same. But you have to give special emphasis to security structures. And that is one of the very, very important parts of it. Also, from a costing point of view, you do not buy infrastructures. Therefore, the capex thing is very, very low in the cloud space. It's primarily OPEX, and spend as you need. And it's quite fast. Multi-tenancy, I've already spoken about that. And then there's a new concept coming of disaster recovery and continuity, because the data center is anywhere where your cloud gadgetry is. It can be in New York, it can be in London, it can be in Sydney, it can be in New Delhi. So cloud helps in the disaster recovery, business continuity area. In that sense, the outsource model is absolutely perfect for business continuity, disaster recovery, reliability, and that's the reason the returns on the money spent are very, very high. Some of the new tools have also come, like Ruby on Rails and large data. Now, data analytics is another thing which is connected with cloud. Huge amount of data. We are not only talking megabytes, gigabytes, petabytes, exabytes, zettabytes, beyond that. And that information has to be handled in the cloud. It firstly is available where you want to keep it, and then to use it for the advantage of an organization. In other words, if dumb data remains in silos, it's of no use. So it has to be pulled from the cloud and made to work. And in other words, there is another word which is very popular these days. It's called data ignition. Ignite your data for your business advantage. And it is heavily connected with the cloud term. So outsourcing in the shape of cloud is here to stay. Cloud will not disappear. The concepts of cloud are pretty old, because even in the old mainframes, they were the shades of the cloud technology 40 years ago. Now cloud has come into shape, into practice, into everyday use to provide, to sum up, elasticity, better costing, multi-tenancy of applications, return on investments, high reliability, use your data, it's always there somewhere in the world, amortization of resources, rationalization of resources, but you have to do the orchestration of cloud services very, very carefully. Enjoy cloud. It is here to stay. And give me a call in Sydney on 61, which is Australian code, 414-725-876 on my mobile anytime. Happy to discuss with you clouds for hours if you so wish. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.